How to make your ex want you back so bad. Welcome to this video which talks about how to make your ex want you back so bad. Our channel offers tips and advice on relationship and marriage problems. This video reveals 5 important things you must do to get your ex back. Making your ex desire you back is difficult, but the main goal is to grab their attention. Avoid blowing it up or sending the wrong message to your ex, which could cause them to hate you. Thing to do number 1, try and focus on why they left. You may not be able to pinpoint the specific cause for the breakup, but you should strive to be the best version of yourself and make amends. Thing to do number 2, don't be desperate. The fact that you've been desperate does not reflect well on you. Your ex can take advantage of your weaknesses, which will not work in your favor. Thing to do number 3, don't chase them. After a breakup, your ex has the perspective of being pursued by you, through either excessive phone calls or texts. As a result, when you don't, they feel disappointed and wonder what is wrong. Try to be calm and not be too clingy this time. Take a break and do some outdoor activities. Thing number 4, do something different and always look busy. Make them believe you have your entire life under control, go out with friends and have fun, and do things differently. Start making yourself more admirable, and trust me, this will all work to attract your ex's attention. Thing to phone number 5, be productive. Don't sit around waiting for your ex to call, rather, get 100% engaged with a new business, work, etc. People admire productivity, which is good, the same goes for your ex. When they don't have a close bond with you anymore, they tend to draw closer to have a feel of your productivity. If you could trigger the interest of your ex to desire you passionately again, will you do it? Click here to learn how to make the one you love feel a burning desire to be back with you again. Click the link in the description box below. So what do you think about how to make your ex want you back so bad? Please comment below. Please subscribe to our channel to get useful tips on relationship problems. Don't forget to like our video.